Programming shouldn't be boring. Let's play a Codingame's puzzle today. Hi, let's play and solve a puzzle titled Supercomputer by Codingame. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here you want to learn front-end and JavaScript, start right now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. The story tells, your university research department recently acquired a brand new shiny supercomputer. Problem is, everyone wants to use it. Some dude at chemistry lab wants to run a 1-week experiment. Your colleague Martin needs us to for a really quick try, I promise, etc. It's not going to be easy to have everyone satisfied with the plan. Your task will be to schedule the different experiments running on the supercomputer so that as many experiments as possible can be run. This puzzle uses sorting techniques and greedy algorithms. You have to rely on performant algorithm to pass all test cases. The goal of this puzzle is to schedule the planning of different groups of users for a supercomputer so that as many experiments as possible can be run on it. Keep in mind that efficient solutions are sometimes not so complex once the problem has been turned in the right way. Let's dive into the code. Store the given task in an array. For each task, we store the starting day and the ending day. Sort tasks by their ending day in antecedence order. Now, we know that the first task we will be able to complete as A0. Iterate over the remaining array and select every task that starts after the last one we choose ends. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Next time, let's have a look at the breadth and depth first search algorithm in JavaScript. My code is available on GitHub, documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.